So welcome to our 4th episode of MCHP Tube. I'm Sherry Keller and I'm your host. So we're here in Phoenix, Arizona at Microchip's 14th annual Masters Conference. We have a very nice opportunity to go ask the experts and see what's going on from the tool side. So let's go check it out. So I'm with Jason Tollefson, a product marketing manager for Microchip, and today we're going to talk about XLP technology and what it means to students. So Jason, tell us a little bit about your demo.
Sure, Sherry. What we have here is a XLP sales kit. So what this is showing is our part here is being measured by our XLP system, and what you can see on the screen is that it's consuming only 30 nanoamps. So that the chip is in a sleep state, consuming very little current. And then if we step over here, what we have are several demonstration kits that you can order through Microchip Direct. We have one for 8-bit products and also one for 16-bit shown below here. And what's unique about these boards is that they were designed to work with either batteries or energy harvesting, and they consume very little current. So for example, both boards are able to get down to about 30 nanoamps in sleep mode, which really makes them ideal for developing very low power applications. Now we made sure to build in features that matter to people, such as PICtail connectors, which allow you to bring in RF connectivity, so you could design maybe a sensor platform, something like that.
So these seem like a pretty good fit for university student projects. I mean, how do you see that playing a role, these kits?
I would definitely agree. They're very simple to get started on. There's not a lot of complexity involved here, and they work really well with our PICkit 3, which is a very inexpensive development tool.
Very nice. Well, thanks for your time, Jason. Appreciate it. So I'm here with Dave Richkas, a product marketing manager for Microchip, and he's going to tell us about a new tool recently introduced for academics. So Dave, tell us about this new Microstick tool and how does it work for academics?
Sure. The Microstick was developed to really hit a low cost point for our academics and for low cost development areas. It provides a onboard debugger, and it includes a separate dsPIC and PIC24H that the users can, if one blows up, they destroy it, they can replace it very easily. It also conveniently fits on a prototyping board for expansion and experimentation.
So this seems like an ideal kit for senior projects per se. I mean, what do you think about that?
Well, yeah, very much so. You can start, in the first level classes, introduction to the development environment, and then evolve, and it can be part of a senior project.
So pretty versatile too, like you said, plug it into a whole breadboard there, huh?
Yeah.
So a lot of expansion opportunities and whatnot?
Yes, indeed. And the flexibility of having 2 different chips in the package with the part and with the board, a dsPIC 33F and a PIC24H.
Very nice. Well, thank you, Dave. Appreciate your time. And looks like a great kit. Man, this is cool stuff. So speaking of cool stuff, let's check out the student project submitted by Cal Poly Pomona.
Hey, we're at Cal Poly Pomona, and we're in a lab class here for a graduate electronics class. And Kevin and Ryan are going to describe what they've been working on lately, this RF 2-node transmit receive. Go ahead, Kevin.
Basically, what we are going to show you guys is how we can control everything's over there at the receiver through a GUI program. Right now, I'm going to turn on the light bulb, and I will just send it, and you see that the light bulb is on right now. Let's say I want to turn on the fan, and I can actually set the speed that I want. Let's say I want a full speed of the fan. I just set it to 100% and then set the control, and then as you can see the fan is turning right now at full speed.
So I'm still here at Masters in our development tools store, and I thought it would be cool to do our Ask Microchip segment. I'm here with Sharon with our development tools team, and I wanted to get her input on how easy it is and low cost it is for students to get started with Microchip. So Sharon, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Hi Sherry. So it's really easy to get started. You basically need MPLAB IDE, which is free. You can get compilers, which are free as well, and you can get hardware, which is really low cost. For example, our PICkit 3. So it's really simple to get started.
Very cool. So where would students purchase these? Where's the easiest place to get these tools if they're buying the hardware?
Easiest place is microchipdirect.com.
Cool. And one quick reminder, students do get 25% off on Microchip Direct. So that wraps up our segment here. Let's go see what Mark McComb's up to.
Oh, hey everybody. Welcome to this segment of Where in the World is Mark McComb. This week we've actually taken a break from our travels and we're in our library here at our world headquarters. I'm catching up on a little reading and Stephanie here is doing a little art. Well, that's a very nice picture of an airplane, Stephanie.
Actually, that's a cat.
Well, you're using your imagination, aren't you? Speaking of using your imagination, you can let your creativity go wild using the Flowcode software environment from Matrix Multimedia. Let me show you. Flowcode is an advanced graphical programming language for 8-bit PIC microcontrollers. The software allows those with little to no programming experience to create intelligent electronic systems by simply dragging and dropping icons onto the screen to build a flowchart. High-level component subroutines are also available for many peripherals and technologies. You can even view commented C and assembly code generated from your flowchart. Available in more than 20 languages, Flowcode is also fully supported by a wide range of materials and books for learning about and developing electronic systems. Flowcode version 4 is actually available on Microchip Direct. And don't forget, academics always get a 25% discount.
Oh, Marky, Bubba, you down there?
Mom, I thought I told you not to bug me when I'm taping my show!
Marky, you promised to take the garbage out.
Mom!
Don't make me count to 3. 3, 2, Marky!
So that wraps up our episode of MCHP Tube. I'm Sherry Keller, your host. We'll catch you next time. And I'm here with him to tell us a little bit more about it.
Dave?
Hi, Sherry.
Area. Pretty nice opportunity to meet with all of the engineers here at Microchip. So really? Can you see it?